Attention students, there is a shocking update from Pearson. What's the update? PTE is not just an AI-based test from 4th of November. Yes, PTE is not just AI-based test from 4th of November. PTE Academic and PTE Academic UKVI. There is a huge change, and the change you can check under PTE Academic Scoring Enhancement title on the Pearson website. What's the change? There is a change in couple of question types: retell lecture and describe image. Basically, both of them are part of speaking. In speaking, automated scoring system has always worked for PTE. From 4th November, this automated scoring system will also have human expert evaluation. What's the role of human experts? They will double check your describe image and retell lecture questions. What they can double check? They can check only content. But if there is a 0 in content, you will have 0 in pronunciation and 0 in oral fluency as well. Which means if there is no content, there is no score. Do you feel that from now onwards, templates are banned? There will be no use of template in describe image and retell lecture? What type of templates can be used? What type of templates can't be used? For that, stay tuned. Thank you.